Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel guys. So today guys, I'm going to show you, actually it's like for 2 days 3 days shopping. So I got here some Zara. I purchased this online because it's sale, and one of this is not, but yeah, it's still cheap. Then today from Primark and TK Maxx. This one is the other day from Primark. This one from B&M, because you know they have many sale in B&M. I have video of it which I will upload. It's just that it's a bit far, so I will go to the other branch of B&M that it's more near to the car park, which is I hope they have this sale, because in B&M I saw like from 10 pounds 7 pound mirror for the garden, which is lovely. This one is from the other yesterday from Primark also. So yeah, let's start with Zara. So this one, I think all is sale. So anyway, I always try to make sure that I open all the boxes like that, yeah, especially from Zara, because it's a bit, oh okay, oh this color, I didn't know this is this color. It's like purple, but not purple, that nice purple, like fade purple. So original price $22.99, but it's just 7 pound. I don't know, just maybe because of the color, or maybe it's okay. Yeah, it's like purple. Yeah, okay, let's see. It's a bit fit. I will try it, and maybe it's comfy, maybe not. This is the first item, just 7 pound or 8 pounds. Next, this dress. This dress is 26 pound, and I purchased it 7 or 10 pound also. And look at that. Oh my god, it's not my style, but because of the price, and it's a bit long also. Yeah, it's a bit long, and it's like so thin. I don't know what happened to the sizing of Zara, but I am size small, but maybe sometimes their size small is not really small. And next is this top. This is how much? Oh, it's 30 pound guys. I purchased this just 7 or 8 pound. This is the style, and then in the back, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure actually if I keep this. I don't know. Comment down below if I should keep it or not. I don't know. Let me put it on and we'll see, because in the model it looks nice. That's why. And this is the last. This trouser, fingers crossed I will like it and it fit me, and because I need another white trouser. Okay, so far so good. So this is actually 28. Yeah, this is full price. I bought this is actually 28 pound, not that expensive. Okay, I will try it later and let's see. So far so good, but it's not, look, it's not that good quality actually, or I don't know. I think it's all right. Yeah, for the price. Then at the back. So yeah, that is from Zara. And then from Primark today, I grabbed this dress. This dress is 15 pound, but it's sale. The original price of this is 25 pound, and it's 15 pounds, so I grabbed it, and it's okay for size 10. I mean small. I mean my height is 5 feet, and it's all good. That's why I hope. Yeah, it looks nice. But I didn't try it. And the next sale is this Stitch towel. This is 8 pound, and this is now 4 pound. Oh, look at that. It's very cute, and it's medium. So, because last time I bought for my son, it's so small, but now this one, it's so cute. Next is, this is from Tiki Max. So from Tiki Max, this is like a Japanese brand and it is color white. 35 pound actually. Foundation, Kinsuto, Japan. This is the brand. Because I feel like Japanese clothes are actually nice, guys. It's thick, you know, it's thick. So I want to try. That's why I purchased it. And it's not so expensive. It's just 13 pound. Yes, that's the brand. Foundation, Kinsuto, Japan. And another one, I don't know what happened in Tiki Max. Okay. The tag is actually here still. Okay. So the tag is still here. Nike. This is 2 set. Just the tag is here, but the receipt, where is it? This is 17 pound. So this is for 7 pound. 7 years old actually. I just purchased it so I can give it for Christmas or for my son's birthday. So nothing special. Just I want to purchase ahead normally, you know. And it's because it's also Tiki Max, so it's more cheaper. And that's it in this bag. And in this one, Primark. Actually, this paper bag, I purchased it. Oh, okay. Almost damaged or what? So this one is 65 pence. And then after that, I also grabbed this sports bra. I have this sports bra before, but it's a long time ago, so I need to change. And this is comfy, that's why I purchased again. And just for 10 pounds, you have two already. Yes, it's just so inexpensive. And that is at the back. And then for my son is this t-shirt, which is 130 only. Very cheap also, guys. 130, because I don't know, my son's clothes is almost like, I feel like he has so much clothes, but I cannot find them. And then B&M is, oh, my son's water bottle. Okay, so B&M, I grabbed this because it's I'm hungry that time, so I saw this in the sale, so I just grabbed it. And then this one, oh my god, it's a bit wet because of my son's water bottle. Oh, this is bad. A bit wet already. This is 50 pence only. So I don't know why I purchased it. I have still like this and I didn't even put in the garden. So maybe I should put it in the garden. Just this one. Children garden fountain. And then this one, I don't know how you call it. It's 3 pounds each. So normally this is 6 pounds each. Basket, hanging basket. Oh my god, it's wet. Okay, but it's 3 pounds plus. And supposedly also I will grab that mirror. Maybe 2 or 3 mirror. Because imagine from 10 pounds, it's 3 pounds each, yeah? So that would be nice. And then the last but not the least, and now I'm waiting for Argos to deliver something for the garden that I ordered. So maybe we will unbox it tomorrow. Actually, the one that I ordered in Amazon, I still didn't assemble it, that lamp. So this one is, okay, this one 1 pound from 3 pounds. I don't know why I bought it. I really don't know. Oh, okay, it's tape. Maybe just to make your hair a little bit cute. Then this is sale. This is 3 pounds and 1 pound. I purchased it. Just I like the color. And then, oh, this one, this is set. This is 15 pounds. This is together already. Supposedly this is 25. Let me check. How much is it supposedly? Oh my god, I cannot even see, like 25. Yeah, so yes, that's why, because my son's prom, they needed it's 6 to 5, and I wanted to buy also another one. It's like color beige for 7 to 8. So not sure only if I wanted, you know, but this one, it's 4 pieces with bow tie. Yeah, so it's all good. This is ready. And the last but not the least is this bag. This is 250 and just £1. I wanted to buy more actually, but I don't know if I need to, because I still have many of this Hello Kitty, because this is also £1 each. So I still have many of this, and the previous one that I purchased, I still have many bags here. So yeah, that's the end of the haul, guys. I hope you enjoy my haul, and please, if you have any if you enjoy it, share it please. Bye guys, bye.